Hey guys, welcome to another one of our videos
of DK Musketeers.
Woo! Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of slime.
Slime pet peeves. We're going to do slime pet peeves today, but first we have to unbox the slimes in this big fat hamper
box thing. Now let's get on with the video.
So we're kind of in a rush. So okay, go fast. Okay. So you close that black tester.
This is not closing. Ew, it's all my fingers out.
Ew. And then this one.
Oh my gosh, it's almost still on the camera.
It's like liquid. That's terrible. Ew. It's like solid, but this liquid inside is like a sponge. Ooh, this is pretty.
Ooh, this is all yummy.
Ew. Okay, that's kind of gross. That's not. Ready to go. And then there's this one. It's kind of rubbery.
We have some kinetic sand here. It's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Kinetic sand. That's fine.
I think this silly buddy thing is in 2 pieces. Ew, it's marshmallow slime. And then there's this silly putty.
I'm fine, guys.
And then there's this one. I like this slime. It's very sparkly and stuff. I usually don't like sparkles, but this is very pretty.
Oh, this purple slime. Putty.
Putty.
Putty slime. Oh, this is like shiny. Very shiny and beautiful. Beautiful. I don't know what that was. Yeah, that was okay. We have
So
some
next
putty.
this one. It's beautiful. Look at your slime.
We'll eat it. We'll eat it.
You have a towel. There's slime
Oh
all over
no!
my slime.
There's slime all over my slime. Oh no!
That's bad. That's bad. Why do you do that, Charlie?
I'm doing like I'm making a bowl. Okay, well, I think I'm going to last 3 more.
Yes, we just have a little one. Here's this one.
Some slime.
It's Rose Buddy.
It's slime!
And then there's this one. It's the very last one.
So much slime.
That is the last one. Now where's the cat?
Ew, it's so beautiful.
Okay. Let's get on with the video. Number 1.
When somebody says their slime is really great, but it's not.
No. OMG, you guys, look at this slime. It is so great. It's sticky, but I don't care because it's the best slime in the world.
Pet peeve number 2.
When they poke in one place.
It's like they don't want to get their fingers dirty or something. It's slime, sweetie. Slime pet peeve number 3. When they give you a false recipe and the final copy is just a store-bought slime.
The fake cheaters. So then you're going to add the salt and the vinegar, and then you're going to mix it together, and then let it sit and for about 5 seconds, and then look, you guys, it even transferred to a silly putty container.
How
Look
weird.
at this. It's so amazing. It's so amazing. Look at this. Oh, my gosh. Can you believe this? You should go and try it right now and like and subscribe to my channel. Pet peeve number 4. When their hands are dirty and they're playing with the slime. Okay, you guys. So, here is my slime.
Pet peeve number 5.
When they have sound in the background.
Well, this is more like in the actual video of slime DIYs. There'll sometimes be like background noise.
It's kind of weird. Hey guys. Sorry, there's an ambulance right outside. They're about to arrest my mom. Yeah, they're about to arrest my mom because she was vacuuming in a private property. Mom, stop vacuuming everywhere.
Sorry, sweetie.
I'm taking a video.
My foot got caught in the machine.
Ugh. Don't dunk yourself in some red dye.
I've been there, done that, sweetie.
Mom, you're embarrassing me. I'm taking a video. I'm gonna come down for dinner later. Sorry.
It's a cockroach.
Stop watching that horror movie. Oh my God, you're not watching a horror movie. You're not gonna be watching anything for a long time. Sorry, you guys. My mom is just getting really annoying because, like, she just distracted some police officers. They just, for some odd reason, she just got arrested, and now she just ruined my slime video.
Number 6.
When they don't know how to play with slime. So, guys, this is my slime. I just got it. Ew. Why is it not even solid? This is so gross. Ew, this slime is so slimy. Why is it slimy? Okay, I'm demanding a refund. I was told that slime was cool. I'm gonna try and play with it. Like I see people do.
Number 7. When they don't even touch the slime. When they're showing off their nails, they're showing you the slime while it's in the container.
It's like,
they won't touch it. They won't stretch it.
It's like, it's Sister Slimy. I don't want to touch it. Like, sweetie, it's slime.
Hey, you guys. I am going to be playing with glitter slime. And look at this fantastic lid. It's made of plastic, and so is the rest of the container. And it says for 3+. And that means that I can actually play with it because I'm actually over 3 years old. So do not eat. Jeez, I was really hoping I would be able to put it in my cupcakes and then keep away from heat. I was going to bake it in my cupcakes too. Look at this handle, like it's so easy to get off. Oh, and there's a barcode and a sticker on the bottom. So, yeah, you guys, bye.
Finally, pet peeve number 8. When they're playing with something that's not even slime.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be playing with slime. Here it is. As you can see, this is a wonderful slime.